Running an e-commerce business on Amazon can be overwhelming. Between managing your account health, tracking performance metrics, and staying compliant with Amazon Seller Central, Amazon Vendor Central, Walmart Seller Central, and other marketplace ever-evolving policies, things can get complicated. But what if you could focus on product improvement and growth while a team of Amazon experts manages everything for you? At RootAMZ, we bring over 10 years of hands-on experience with a team of former Amazon specialists. With a deep understanding of Amazon's intricate policies and performance metrics, we know exactly what it takes to keep your account healthy and growing. RootAMZ provides end-to-end account health management solutions so you can focus on what matters most, your products and business growth. Here's how we do it. We continuously monitor key performance indicators like order defect rate, late shipment rate, and valid tracking rate to ensure your account remains in excellent standing. Our team ensures your listings and operations comply with Amazon's latest policies, including fair pricing, listing accuracy, and more. At RootAMZ, we identify and resolve potential issues before they escalate, preventing negative impacts on your account health. If your account faces suspension, our experts craft compelling appeals and manage reinstatements to get you back on track, quickly and efficiently. With RootAMZ managing your Amazon account, you get peace of mind. We take care of performance, compliance, and issues while you focus on product quality and scaling your e-commerce business. Partner with RootAMZ today and take control of your Amazon account health. Let's grow your e-commerce business together.